Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Jenny, if you don't know me, and I hope you're having a very good week. Today's video is gonna be short. I'm gonna show you how I make a açaí bowl. I'm on holidays. I'm in Cairns, Queensland, Australia, visiting my sister, and the weather is really nice. It's like 23 degrees, pretty sunny, and it's perfect for a açaí bowl. I already eaten because it's hot, but don't worry, I record all the process, so let's get into it.
Okay guys, add in a blender a frozen açaí package, 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of raspberries, a bit of water, maybe half a cup of water. If you prefer coconut water or plant-based milk, that's fine, just try to not add too much liquid. Blend this up, and when the consistency is very thick, turn off the blender and serve in a bowl. I serve into these beautiful coconut shells, one for me and one for my sister. I add banana on top, granola. I made my granola recipe for my sister a few days ago. I have a video where I show you how to make it. I put kiwi as well, and I spread some chia seeds to get some omega-3, and obviously I add a tablespoon of peanut butter. I love peanut butter, and that's all. Easy and delicious.
And that, guys, is how I make the açaí bowl. It's perfect for this weather, and it's very delicious and very nutritive. Guys, you can add whatever you prefer on top, banana, apple, berries, whatever you prefer. That's up to you, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what kind of recipes you want me to make or something like that. But yes, thank you so much once again, and I really hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.